We've replaced the belt. The belt was in pretty bad shape. You can see how bad. It's funny enough that this belt right here in this condition will last another, year, 2 years. It may never need to get replaced until the gate operator gets replaced. In this particular gate operator, All-O-Matic, I mean, they just last forever. They're great gate operators, and they're not paying me to say that. You can see that we've got a bunch of dirt and debris. We're gonna go ahead and clean that up, and part of this is from the belt having all that fine dust fall off. So we're gonna turn it off, and then we're gonna blow all this stuff out. Here's what it looks like clean.